Imbethi manqindi nengasekhoyo uPeter, Terror Mathebula kunye nowakwakhe babekwe kwikhaya labo lokugqibela kumadlaka aseGreehills eRandfontein namhlanje. Mathebula wayeyintshatsheli kudidi lweFlyweight, ulilandulele kulenyanga, ze wasweleka unkosikazi wakhe emva kweentsuku ezintlanu.
Bantu bebaphume ngebunyenti babo bate uvelana nemndeni wakaMathebula losemantini. Umndeni wakaMathebula uthi ukhumbula labalababili neluthando lwabo.
We are very proud of uSishabayisiwe, is how we called her. She taught us much. That door was always open for us. With a smile all the time, uSishabayisiwe. I know how much you loved us.
Boxing South Africa ke yona ithi Mathebula bekatimisele ngekundlondlobalisa umdlalo wesibhakela. Kanti ke Mathebula nemkakhe bebatiwa njengebantu labangehlukani.
Ausemaset Ungcwatyiwe go tsamaya le nna ga ke sale.
Kuhlonipha Mathebula nemkakhe iMuhlakeng Sports and Recreation Club seyitawubitwa ngemagama abo.
Ngiyajabula kakhulukazi ngomphakathi wala eMuhlakeng ukuthi usuqalile ukukhumbula amaqhawe abo labo abayibeka induku ebandla.
Bashiya ngemuva emalfosakati lamabili nenvosana kanye nebatukulu labayimfica. Mina ke ngumduduzi Ndlovu leti tindzaba te SABC eRandfontein.